This is the telescope we're going to be using for stargazing this evening. This type of telescope is a reflector telescope. That means that it uses a mirror in the back of the scope to gather light from space, which comes in through the front opening, and then reflect it down into a narrow beam of light that then reflects back again out to the back of the telescope. And at the back exit of the telescope, all that light coming off that 5-inch mirror is gathered and concentrated. Now what we need to do if we want to enjoy the view is take that light and focus it into a sharp image. And the way that we do that is with an eyepiece, is with this little optic right here, which when used in conjunction with the telescope will give you a very, very crisp image at 50 power. So this particular combination of eyepiece and mirror and telescope is going to give us 50 power. But you can always substitute in other eyepieces that can give you more power. I have a doubler that you can attach here that when you use that will take this 50 power image and now turn it into a 100 power. So 100 times magnification of what we're looking at out in space. And by using this telescope it does a few things. First of all, that big mirror in the back acts like a great big eye. It helps you to have a lot more light gathering capability. So if something is dim, you're going to see it a lot more clearly by looking through the telescope. But even for the objects that are bright, for example, Jupiter or the moon, when you look at those objects through this telescope, first of all, it's going to magnify them and get you a lot closer, but also it's going to give you a very sharp image and allow you to see details you would never be able to see with just the naked eye.